Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to make the easiest afang soup. On the screen are the ingredients. So first step is to boil your washed beef. You boil with habanero pepper, blended onions, seasoning cube and salt to taste. You let the beef bring out its own juice before adding extra water. You add the stock fish. You let that cook until it is tender. When cooking afang soup, you don't need a lot of beef stock. So in order to have less stock, you boil the meat until the stock is a little bit dried up before adding your oil and habanero pepper. You also add some crayfish at this point and then you mix everything up together. You cover it up and let it simmer for a bit. Afang soup requires lots of red oil and crayfish, so you don't need to be stingy with that. You need to add lots and lots of crayfish and red oil. Now you can introduce your finely cut water leaf. You mix that up together until it is well combined. You let that cook for a bit and then you add more crayfish. You can also add more smoked fish at this stage. You mix everything up together before adding the pounded afang leaf. Once afang leaf is introduced, then you don't need to cook the soup for too long. You just need 1 minute or 2 minutes to allow the afang simmer into the soup before adding extra red oil. Adding red oil and crayfish at the last stage gives it that authentic afang taste, so don't skip this part. You mix everything up together and you cook for 1 minute. Don't exceed that minute and your afang soup is ready. So, will you be trying this method? Let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get notification on when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.